Hey folks, Kayak DIY here, coming at you from iCAST in Orlando. And I came across this really cool product I wanted to share with you. I'm definitely getting my hands on one. I think it's gonna simplify my life so much. It's pretty cool. Enough rambling, you need to come take a look at it. Let's go look. So what we have here is basically a system that allows you to go strapless. No more cam straps, no more ratchet straps, none of that. Just a simple system that locks your kayak to your roof or on your trailer. Let's see how it works here. So that's how you could like store it if you wanted to. Then you don't have to worry about this end up falling or getting lost. It's all locked in place. And then when you want to strap down the kayak again, it ratchets right into place and it's locked in there. So you don't have to worry about theft or anything like that. You are totally protected. So they have a couple different variations of this setup, and you can find it at their website, which I'll have linked it below. But here's kind of a general look at what those different setups look like.
Check out Kayak DIY and make sure to subscribe.